everyone, I'm Kelly D, and many times I'm invited to luncheons and parties and they always ask me to bring a dish. When persons recommend I bring a salad, I always have to jazz it up. So today I'm going to share with you how I change a regular coleslaw into a Calypso coleslaw. So let's go over the ingredients. One way I jazz up any salad is to think about the color. You always hear the eye eats first, which means the dish that you present to someone must be appealing in its color. It must be attractive, so it must be nice and vibrant. So today, rather than using one color cabbage, which is white, the traditional one, we're going to be using two. I'm going to be using the white cabbage and the purple cabbage. We have half pound of white cabbage, which is shredded. You can use either the food processor or you can shred it with a grater or you can chop it by hand. And half pound of the purple cabbage, and the same thing applies. You can use a food processor, chop it by hand, or you can use a grater. We're going to use one large carrot, and once again you can use a food processor, which makes it so easy. Just dump everything in, start the processor, and everything is shredded in a matter of seconds. Or you can just grate it or use your hand and chop it up finely. We have half of a small onion. Now we don't want to have too much onion, so we're going to just use half of a small onion, and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped sweet pepper. Sweet pepper is going to not just give a heightened flavor, but it's going to give a nice pop of color with that lovely green. To sweeten our coleslaw, we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. We have 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise will just add a nice creaminess, which is essential in making the perfect coleslaw. We have half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. And an extra ingredient, just for that extra sweetness, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of raisins. Now there's really just one step when it comes to making the salad. Once you have everything prepared, you're going to just mix everything together into a large bowl. Calypso is an Afro-Caribbean type music known for its highs and lows. And our salad today will be known for its highs and lows. It has lots of textures. It has texture from the onions and the sweet pepper. You're going to get a sweetness you're going to get from the raisins. You're going to get saltiness and spice you're going to get from the salt and the black pepper. There is a party going on with this salad, I am telling you. So once our salad is fully combined, our party will be ready to start. Now the final thing I added was the mayonnaise, and even though we added 4 tablespoons, I can already tell that this is not going to be enough, so you need to eyeball it at this point. Once you mix everything and you're seeing the mayonnaise doesn't seem to be enough, then you can go ahead and add a bit more. Our Calypso coleslaw is done and it looks amazing. Just look at the vibrant colors. You can see the orange from the carrots, you can see the purple from the cabbage, and a speck of green here or there you can see from the sweet pepper. Now this basically took about 10 minutes once you have everything already prepared. Now it's time to taste. Remember, once your salad, your coleslaw is done, you must refrigerate it before you're going to get ready to use it because of the coleslaw component. Now it's time to taste. Calypso coleslaw, guaranteed to make you sing, but I'm not going to sing for you. But after eating this, you're going to have a party going on at your dinner table. So good. There's so many notes going on. The highs and the lows, the textures, everything is playing together. Calypso coleslaw? Now you need to try it.